Aloha everybody, welcome to KIANA'S Kitchen. Today on KIANA'S Fit Cooking, it's a fit fast food recipe that takes 10 minutes to prepare. We're making a plant-based recipe called baked tofu over stir-fry vegetables and jasmine rice. Okay, so the first thing I did was slice the firm tofu and put it on a foil-lined baking sheet, and now I'm just going to press the excess fluid out, excess water. Okay, so now I'm making the sauce, and it has 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of blue agave, and 1 teaspoon of garlic.
Okay, so I'm taking the sauce. Smells so yummy.
I'm brushing the sauce onto the firm tofu, and then I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven. So I took them out, now I'm flipping them over, and then I'm going to put more sauce. Okay, so now I'm just brushing the remaining sauce on. I just love it. Look at all those bits of fresh ginger. Okay, now it's gonna go back in the oven for another 20 minutes. These cook up really fast. I like them crunchy, so I don't like them cooked too long. Okay, the baked tofu is done. It smells so good. Little sesame seeds on top. Veggies are done, and the rice is done. Time to eat. Come over for dinner. Dinner's ready.